Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you rob the bank in Brookhaven. So in order to rob the bank in Brookhaven, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you need to open the Roblox, search for Brookhaven and open this app. The bank is located in a main city area. You have to look for a green building labeled as bank. So what you want to do is here to search for it, or you could just go ahead and start walking first thing, or you could just go ahead and look for an item as well. And after that, you want to go to the Brookhaven Bank and locate the key card near the vault door, or sometimes behind the recipient desk as well. And if the key card is missing, you want to try checking a nearby door or ask another player as well. And open your backpack or inventory, and then you can find or tap the explosive bomb item to equip it. You can find it under the tools tab as well. Then you want to go ahead and open the vault room with your key card in it, and then detonate it. The vault will explode and reveal the money bag inside it. You could roleplay a getaway using a car, helicopter, or secret underground escape as well. And that is basically how you'll be able to rob a bank in Brookhaven. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.